Bring your flock here to Bird's Bungalow, a spacious 2,800 square foot vacation home with 6 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms in Miramar Beach. With bedding for up to 18 guests, spread out across 3 floors, everyone in your party will have their own private space. The 3rd floor has a king with a full bathroom. And a queen bedroom with a full bathroom. On the 2nd floor, you'll find the den with a queen sleeper sofa, a queen bedroom, 2 twin bunks, a full shared bath, and a king bedroom with a full bathroom. On the 1st floor, you'll find an additional living area with a queen sleeper, an open kitchen, half-hall bathroom, dining area, and a king bedroom with a full bathroom. The home is less than 50 yards to the sugary white beaches of Miramar Beach, with no roads to cross. This property also features a 10 by 20 foot private pool that can be heated in the cooler months. Fly to Bird's Bungalow with Ocean Reef, the company for distinctive properties.